What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're taking the 1987 Suzuki Samurai into town, and we're gonna get to work on it, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. Good morning. Let's go fix this Samurai. So we're gonna put some stock seats back into it, weld up some brackets, and get the signals working, because they ain't working. And we're going to none other than Max's house, who is watching his son Phineas today. So he's gonna be juggling a little bit, but what we're doing is we're going to take these steel brackets, these 2x3 metal pieces that I bought from Alaska Metal Superworks, and we're gonna weld them to the floor. That way the stock seats, which are right back there, let's start it up. Oh yeah. Last time I went to Max's, you guys saw that I installed these windshield wipers, so I've got a low setting and a high setting, so at least those work now. My windshield wiper stick doesn't work because the switch is bad. So what we're gonna try to do today is get my signals working. I have no signals at all, and it's kind of sketchy daily driving around not having any signals. So we're gonna get that fixed and get these stock seats in, and that's the plan. So let's go. Once I've got the seats in and the signals working, the last thing to do is going to be getting all these gauges working up here that don't really work. And once that's going, the Sammy's going to be good to go. So that's what our plan is. Figure we'd stop and check out Turning Arm. It's just beautiful this morning. So this is hometown of Girdwoods right behind us, but this is all Turning Arm out here. This is the ocean. It's got a crazy tidal fluctuation. It's like the second largest tidal fluctuation in the world. It goes like 25 to 40 feet. It's pretty nuts. But anyway, town of Girdwoods back there. Yeah, it's a beautiful place to live. Here's the Samurai too. I don't know if you guys have really seen it. I'll do a good tour video soon, but I've got it all registered in Alaska now, so thought that's kind of funny. Got the winch working, so that's going good. Got new tires on it. Threw the snorkel on, threw the rack on. On the inside, I get the windshield wipers working with Max. I replaced the transfer case with another one with low gearing. And under the bottom, I replaced the third member. And I did that with Randy Gibbs down in Washington. I did the transfer case and the third member down there. I also had this drive shaft made by Trail Tough right there, so that's pretty sweet too. But yeah, I'm digging it. It's been pretty good. And I also had automatic hubs, and I installed these locking hubs on here with Danny, so that turned out pretty sweet. Anyway, it's a pretty sweet rig. I like it. Super clean. It's gonna be fun. And today is one of the last steps to get this thing trail ready. So that's what we're doing. We're here at Home Depot, and I've got to get some bolts that'll go through this and hold the seat into place. So let's see what we need here. Just got out of Lowe's. I've got all the hardware I need to attach these stock seats where these razor seats are, so let's go do it. We're almost to Alaska Metal Superstore up here, and I'm gonna have them cut this into some usable pieces to mount the stock Samurai seats on. So we're going in here. Old Alaska Metal Supermarket. We are at Max's house. Oh, Samurai, such a rough little ride. Woo! Wow. Oh yeah, we here. Let's go see what Maximus is up to. He loves being on these videos. Just kidding. Let's go get him though. Oh, yeah. We're back at the mechanical wizard's house in action.
Seats pulled out?
Yeah, we're pulling the seats out. This is actually pretty simple. The passenger side, we're just gonna unbolt it, get it out of there, and swap it with the stock side.
So, yeah, you wanna hold that for me up there too?
Yeah, we'll see on the, all right.
Got it?
Yep. That is so much faster.
Hardware, we might just reuse.
Yeah,
it's a little more robust.
Yeah. You judging my hardware
Very much
selection skills?
These are seats that your life depends on.
I mean, let's not be kidding. This is, if I get in a wreck in the Samurai, like, it's all gonna crumple to hell anyway, so might be better if the seats break loose.
Great. There'll be music playing in the background that time.
So anyway, the deal with these seats is when I bought the Samurai, it had these Razor side-by-side seats in them, which are incredibly uncomfortable, and he just bolted them to the floor of the vehicle instead of up on a bracket. So yeah, it throws your back out. He had the stock seats totally reupholstered and refoamed, so those are gonna be sweet, but a little bit of work to get them in. That's right, the best tools. All right, he's got it.
Here it is. Out with the old.
All right. In with the old.
In with the old.
In with the older. That is right. I should shine up all nice. Can't believe he paid like a lot to have those reupholstered and refoamed. I actually swapped S10 Blazer seats, fit perfectly in the bolt holes, so that's what I did in my last Sammy. Pretty cozy. But, and what are you doing, Phineas? You hooked it up. Good job, man. Good job. You know how to tighten it? You know how to make it tight? You gotta pull that end. You remember? You remember how to make it tight? See if you make it tight over there.
Tight.
Yeah, you tight. See that loop? You gotta pull on it. There you go.
I'm gonna have to hold it from with a wrench on the other side. We're gonna have to do it that way.
You need a deep socket or something?
Like a cable here. It goes to nowhere.
Speedometer cable. Yeah, speedometer cable. It's funny, right?
Hey, Jimmy, what's this? What's this cable tucked up in here?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that at all. Not important. That's one of the last things I like really need to do is just get, I don't care about any of the gauges. I need to get the fuel gauge working so I don't run out of fuel in the trail.
Yeah.
Probably the water temp gauge would be smart too, but all right, just so you can see what we're doing here. We got our little brackets right here, so we're trying to get the seat up off the ground. So we're gonna weld these brackets into place here, and I'll make it pretty much level with this side. Won't be in business.
I think that'll work.
Yeah.
I like that.
Anyhow, I was gonna weld up myself, and I was like, I don't know. I've never messed with like super paper thin steel and like heavy gauge steel like that, thick gauge. So okay, so right now we're gonna bend the stock seat tabs 90-degree bend. So knock this one down, knock that one down. This is a very complicated job, and we're done.
What?
I'm just kidding.
I didn't give that to you to use it like a hammer.
What? Why not? Yeah, I could bend it down too. It's the same. It's doing the same thing.
It's not a hammer.
Why not? Worked fine for this side. Getting the ground on. Phineas does not like this noise. It's too loud. We got the seat brackets all marked where they need to be, and that's it. We're gonna bolt them to the seat first, and then put the seat in here, weld everything into place. It won't be solid.
I might catch the seat on fire. So we don't want to do
that. Would never happen.
We don't want to do that.
Catch the newly upholstered seat on
It'd be
fire.
a bad day. Yeah, look at that. You know what I'm gonna do?
To the belly.
I'm gonna be a really nice guy here, Timmy.
What can you do?
I'm gonna reach up in here and I'm gonna tack weld that nut in place for you.
Really?
So that way you never have to reach in there.
Oh, that's nice.
Ever again.
Wow. You'd do that for me?
I would, just for you, buddy.
Well, you see that?
That's what friends do.
Yep. Maybe I'll do something for him one day. The day will come. I don't really do much that benefits Max. I've tried to kill him a couple times in like boats and speedwings. Yeah.
Times, but...
I think that's why friendship works. I scare him and he helps me. There's a chance we might go get a caribou in the Samurai though, so.
That'd be pretty fun.
Did you get a permit? You got your
of course.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Then we're probably going caribou hunting in the Samurai out Eureka.
There we go.
Unless, did you get the September one?
On September. I am so. Yeah, that's right. Of September.
Yeah. Whatever. We'll go twice.
Different months.
We'll go twice.
That's all right.
See them tack. Oh yeah. Here it is. Look at that magic work. I know. It's hard to help when I'm filming. All these brackets are bolted to the seat right now, obviously, so we're just gonna kind of find the sweet spot and weld it into place. Now I'll have to come back and spray this stuff with truck bed liner so it doesn't rust out. Like this bracket looks like it's sticking further back in the seat than that one. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I think this one needs to probably come forward.
Good to me if that looks good to you.
It looks good to me. Man, it's gonna be high rolling up in there.
Just tacked.
Yep.
It's not welded.
There's a little guy. That's good to go, man. Let's go jump it.
Freaking send it. Remember to watch my words.
That's right. It just gives me some bleep outs later on. Come on, baby. Oh.
What the heck? Maybe you're right.
The rail's binding. Yeah, you have to grab like both. You steer up under it. Found the proper seat position. Getting her welded in for good now. Right there.
That liner in there. There's not much you can do.
Yeah, I know, it's all spatter. Hey, whatever. Moment of truth. Going in. Watch them work, folks. Oh, yeah.
Buddy. Hardware.
Meanwhile, we get no windshield wiper squirters, and it's spring breakup, and I can't see. So, I got this little ATV kit, super tiny. I think 17 bucks off eBay or something like that. So anyway, we're gonna hook that up so it'll squirt the windshield. Look at those tacked on nuts.
So easy.
Last one. Home stretch. Oh man, all right, you do the honors. You do the honors. Oh yeah. Hey, it slides.
That's better than last time.
That works. You did it by hand without sitting in there.
Yeah, that moves. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Sweet.
He's in. All right, go roll it. You should drive it before we leave today, actually.
Yeah, that feels great.
Yeah, put Phineas in the back, baby seat, rolling. Oh yeah. Don't push that seat too hard. All right, I'll drill this one out.
Seat will break before.
This one should go fast over here. All right, so thanks, man. Appreciate it. That's
of course, man. Anytime.
that's legit.
You know I love working on your stuff.
Yep. Oh, I know you do. Max is in there with Phineas. I'm getting this passenger seat in right now. So luckily it has the brackets already, so we don't have to weld up brackets for it to sit on. I just had to drill through the floor where the seat brackets line up, and we're getting it in here. So I don't have short arms. This wouldn't work out too well.
I could be helping him, but I'm holding the camera instead.
Yeah, kind of like I was doing before.
Look at that move, getting down under.
Down under. That's right. We're in business. It's been done. Passenger seat's in, driver seat's in, good to go. We're back to stock, back to more comfort. That's about it. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. I do hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this content, and I'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.